Now, I've been working in the field of hypnosis for over 35 years. I've started the business full-time about 6 years ago called Boston Hypnosis. Prior to that, I was working as a senior scientist and a senior nuclear engineer. I have over 20 patents to my name. I only say that from the standpoint of telling you that I'm familiar with the scientific process and about the need for objectivity. Now, what is self-hypnosis? We as professionals deal with that question, what is hypnosis? And our answer is, all hypnosis is a form of self-hypnosis. The problem with self-hypnosis is that you are being the client, the subject, and the hypnotist at the same time. And that, my friends, is a very difficult balancing act. It's not easy to master. I'm the first one to say that to you. You have to persevere, you have to practice, you have to practice. Why is it important? The key thing about self-hypnosis is that it's free. Doesn't cost anything. And you always have it with you, no matter where you're at. No matter what you're doing, no matter how you're feeling. If you've learned it properly and practiced it, you can use it anytime, any place, any circumstance. I've had a situation one time when I was choking from an eating experience, and immediately I used self-hypnosis to relax and let the food go down. There are many, many situations where self-hypnosis can be invaluable. Today I'm going to highlight the situation of helping yourself in the healing process. I started self-hypnosis over 35 years ago when I first learned hypnosis. Then I practiced it, and in between, after that, when I came out back east, I started learning it in California. There was a time period in my life when I really didn't use it very much. And that was a mistake. One thing I want to tell you, you need to keep it up. You don't let it get rusty on you. And it was in the mid-90s, and early 90s, when I had a real need, which I'll tell you about in a few moments, to use it. And ever since then, I've been using it now very trustingly every day. I use it for my power breaks, a half-hour break during noontime to give me the energy that I need. And I use it every night as I go to sleep. So on a daily basis, I use it. And it doesn't get rusty anymore. Now, how did I learn it? Originally, when I learned it by fractional relaxation. But my problem was, when I did it, I would get myself into a state of natural sleep. That was quite often, and it took at least a month before I could do it without going to sleep. Well, hypnosis